Welcome, everyone. I'm Anjali Dange, a nutritionist and founder of Starlight Wellness. Today, we are talking about a phase that is often overlooked once the baby arrives: your body, your recovery, and your nourishment. This workshop is a practical and culturally relevant guide to eating right during breastfeeding, especially for those balancing care, healing, and work. Let's begin. So, what is postpartum nutrition? Postpartum nutrition is not about going back to pre baby eating, it's not about following strict rules, it's about rebuilding your strength. Your body has gone through so many different changes during your delivery, during your pregnancy. So, this is the time for you to rebuild your strength, support milk production so that you can feed your baby for longer, and stay energized, especially as you're balancing recovery and the demands of returning to work. So, most of you will have some time before you return to work, but when you're in this phase, this is the time that you have to recover completely so that when you get back to work, whatever, the stress and the strain or whatever that you need to adapt to at work and taking care of your baby, your body will have enough energy to do that. Your body will withstand anything that comes forward. So this phase you use to rebuild that strength. Today's session focuses on real, practical, and culturally rooted ways to nourish your body while caring for your baby. So the focus for this session, it has been designed for new mothers like you navigating early recovery and return to work. So what all will be covered in this session? We will know what your body needs nutritionally after childbirth. We will know breastfeeding safe diet recommendations. We also want to understand what are the Indian cultural practices which support healing and what needs rethinking. Planning simple, nutrient-dense meals, energy and milk supply support during working hours. All right. So what are my nutritional needs during breastfeeding? So there is definitely an increased demand because lactation significantly increases your nutrition requirement. Okay. Your body uses additional energy to produce breast milk daily. Okay. So what are the key changes? You may need to add a little extra calories compared to what you were eating before, which is about 400 to 500 calories extra per day. The protein that you need for tissue repair and milk production, your requirement may go up to even 1.1 gram per kg body weight. The fluids, you will need more amount of fluids, increased need for the hydration as well as to support breast milk volume. And certain micronutrients are going to continue to be important. You remember during pregnancy also, your gynecologist, your nutritionist would have constantly been reminding you about your micronutrients. So that need doesn't stop yet. You still will require iron because of the blood loss during your delivery. You will still require calcium for your bone health as well as the fact that you're producing breast milk now. And you will also need B12 and omega-3 so that your baby's brain develops well. So the baby is still going to take nutrients from you through the breast milk. So it's very important that you maintain a good balance of your micronutrients. And as we did during pregnancy, listen to your body. Okay. So always, don't, think about your weight or, how am I looking and, what are people saying around me. You listen to your body and you eat when you're hungry and you drink liquids when you're thirsty. So don't neglect what you need because you're taking care of another, because you're taking care of your child or because of so many other things that you're listening to from your family. Remember that this is the phase when not just your baby needs attention, but your body also needs attention so that whatever it has gone through, you have to start repairing all of that and gain back your strength. So I'm sure the next thought is, what should I be including in my diet during this phase? So let's break it down to make it simple and easy for you.